Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Chennaiya. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a line. And the question for today's video reads like this. A line AB measuring 60 mm in top view. The top view length is given to us. And has its end A on the line of intersection of HP and VP. That means to say the line or the point or the end of the line is on XY. XY represents the line of intersection of VP and HP. And the end, and he has given the end B is 40 above HP and 50 in front of VP. That is, the distance of the other end of the line AB is also given from both HP and VP. And we need to draw the projections of the line and find some of these parameters. Friends, in any problem on line, you have to follow some very simple rules. What are these rules? Given a problem, please go through the problem once or twice clearly, because in a hurry you may get confused whether the length of a line given is front view length or top view length or true length. So you should be very careful. So let us first of all draw the XY line to represent the line of intersection of HP and VP. So we will mark a line here XY and mark VP by HP, indicating first angle projection. This indication. If it is third angle projection, you have to draw the XY line, mark HP above and VP below that. Now friends, any problem on lines, you will always be given with the position of one of the ends of the line. Here, the end of the line is given, that is on the line of intersection of HP and VP. So whenever the point lies on the line of intersection of HP and VP, you are going to get both A dash, the front view, and A, the top view at the same point on XY. So we have located one of the end points because it is laying on the line of intersection of HP and VP. Next friends, he has given us the end B is 40 above HP. Any distance above HP is seen above the XY line. So this is locus of end B. Locus of B. What is the distance of that? It is 40 above HP. So mark 40 millimeter above this to represent the locus of B, on which you are going to get B dash and B1 dash. That's important. Similarly, it is 50 in front of VP. So I am going to draw one more line here at a distance of 50 millimeter. So both the ends of the line are known to us, and this is again the locus of B. Locus of B. And the locus of A lies here on the XY line itself. Friends, what other data is given? You have been given with the top view of the line measures 60 millimeter. So top view is represented by small ab for a line represented by capital AB. So friends, we have this line here, locus here. We have got the point A here. AB represents the top view. So we have the length of the top view. What I do, taking this point as center, A as center, and radius equal to 60 millimeter, I am going to draw an arc, and this arc cuts the locus of B at this point. I join this A and that point. When this point is B, this is the top view of the line, which is given to be equal to 60 Friend, that's all the data given, and with this skeleton of the problem, we should be in a position to draw the projections of the line completely. That is, we have to have two lines, one for the front view, one for the top view, and two more lines for the true length in the front view and true length in the top view. And in many of my previous videos, you must have seen that Whenever you have this end projector, that is A dash A, the point A dash and A, the front and top views of the end A, lie on a vertical line. Likewise, the ends, that is, the front and top views of the ends B should also lie on on a similar vertical line, which is perpendicular to HP. And let's say, friends, now we have this top view AB. We can just write a vertical line through that. So I have written a vertical line through that upward to cut the locus of this B at point B dash. Friends, we have A dash, we have B dash, and if you join these two friends, you get A dash B dash, and this A dash B dash represents the front view of the line, and that can be found out if required. So A dash B dash and AB now represent the front and top views of the line capital AB, whose length is not known to us. Let's see how to find out. So after getting this projection, we need to obtain the following. Number one, the true length of the line. True length of the line is represented by the uh, line by name A dash B1 dash in the front view, which is also equal to AB1 in the top. If the line is AB, you are going to have like this. If the line is PQ, it is going to be P dash Q1 dash is equal to PQ1. If the line is MN, M dash N1 dash is equal to MN1. Friends, you have the front view and you have the top view. By making one of these parallel to XY, we should be able to obtain the true length of the line. What I do, I take A dash as center and this front view length A dash B dash as radius. I am going to strike an arc, draw an arc till where? Till the locus of A. You will call this point as 1 or whatever you want you can call. From there, draw a vertical line downwards, and this is going to meet the locus of B at point B1. Friends, you have A, you have B1, and if you join this A and B1, you get the true length of the line in the top view. This is the true length of the line. You can measure this length by keeping a scale between A dash and B1 dash. And similarly, friends, you can also show the same true length in the front view above the XY line. Take this true length with center A dash and radius equal to this length. You draw an arc. So you are going to get the point B1 dash. This A dash B1 dash will represent the true length of the line. So I am going to join these two. So I have joined A and B1, that is A dash B1 dash. Friends, we have got the true length. Remember, this true length A dash B1 dash and A B1 will have the same length. So we got all the four lines that are required in the projection of a line. Next comes, friends, we have to find out the inclination of the line with HP and VP. The inclination of the line with HP is represented by or designated by theta, that is the angle between the XY line and this line. So this is a true length line, and you can find out or measure this true length. On the same lines, we can also measure what is the angle made by the line with the VP. That is, always you should take true length. So I have this A, I have this B1, this is the true length, and you can find out what is this angle phi, the angle made by the line with the vertical plane. And finally, we have been asked to find out what is the distance between end projectors. Friends, I told you the end projectors are the lines passing through the front and top view of a point. Here you have got one end projector A dash A, other end projector is B dash B. If you can measure the distance between these two, this will give you DEP. DEP means distance between end projectors. Friends, I hope that the presentation was interesting and you were able to gather the full procedure adopted to obtain the projections of the line when the top view of the line and the loci of the ends A and B were given to you. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share with your friends without fear. And I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.